After working as a magazine illustrator for several years and traveling to Paris on various occasions, by the time he painted Girl at a Sewing Machine in 1921, Hopper had fully consolidated his style. In the center of an urban domestic interior, a young woman with long hair that practically conceals her face is absorbed in working on a sewing machine by a window. The composition recalls similar indoor settings painted by 17th-century artists of the Dutch school, and also certain paintings by John Sloan, such as The Cot, which Hopper could have seen in the exhibition of the Eight in 1907. The present painting also bears a certain resemblance to the artist's later works, especially the etching East Side Interior, executed in 1922.
Hopper's solitary figures are mostly women, often reading or looking out a window. In the early 1920s, Hopper painted his first such image, Girl at Sewing Machine, where he uses a window in front of her as a prominent device in the composition. Here, Hopper is not attempting to capture a photographic representation of his subject, but a subtle feeling that infused the painting, through his use of color and his painting technique. The composition gives us the impression that we are catching a glimpse of her through a doorway, as she works at her machine. A moment frozen in time.
Edward Hopper, born in 1882, was an American realist painter and printmaker. He was known for his oil paintings, as well as his skills in watercolor and etching. Hopper's artworks captured a sense of subdued drama in everyday subjects, infusing them with a poetic meaning that invited narrative interpretations.